Hi, welcome back to my channel. A few months back, I created a video about installing a dash camera without the need to do a hot wiring in this car. You can check out the video and I share the link in the description below. Anyway, the installation went really smooth and I had no issue with the camera and so forth. However, ever since we replaced the windscreen because it had a long crack line, so the cable kept dropping off from the ceiling and it got really annoying because it's very distracting when I was driving. I believe this happened because after the windscreen replacement, it has left a wider gap between the windscreen and the ceiling cover. So I thought maybe it's best if I bought this tiny cable organizer to save me from being annoyed by the hanging cable while I'm driving. So the answer to the title of the video is yes, a dashcam can be so annoying when it was not installed properly. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video, and also don't forget to smack the subscribe button below to help support my channel. Until then, I'll see you next time.